insights report, which just as traffic insights will be an aggregated report across all campaigns. It will allow you to see how your offers are behaving across multiple campaigns. This report is available inside the LPs and offers menu, offer insights page. And in case you are using the same offer in multiple campaigns, then you will be able to see grouped data for that offer in all those campaigns. These are my campaigns that I have defined in the tracker. I see the network for each of them and the performance. This is useful to check. Let's do a larger interval here. It's useful to compare the conversion rate for your offers to see which ones are performing better, and also to check the offers with low conversion rate to see that maybe it's something that is not worth spending money on and you want to move to higher converting offers in your campaigns. We have filters available here, like the campaign, the date range, the group. If I want to group offers just like the campaigns, I can group them in several groups, like the gardening group from here. And I also have a filter for the network. If I want to see only ClickBank offers, I'm using this filter and I see the performance for my offers in ClickBank.